Hey guys, it's Dr. Diaz again. We got Adam here. He is, you'll see another video with him. We've done some soft tissue work on his calf muscle from some issues that he was having. Did a little bit of examination, saw his flat feet, which Dr. Adam discovered on his own without the help of other doctors, and was able to help himself out. We've just done some soft tissue work on the calves for some trigger points that we found in there. Now he's also coming in here. He wanted to be a superstar on our super popular videos, but he's having some issue down the left shoulder. So I was looking for the little marks that we already left here from palpation. So we've upon palpation we've discovered that it's a possibility that we're dealing with mainly a biceps tendon or a biceps muscle belly that has a trigger point that's causing him to have this radiating pain. He'll feel it like if he lifts at work all day, and it kind of radiates up into his neck. So we're going to find some restricted points here in the neck. Today we're going to demonstrate a little bit of adjustments in the neck, adjustments in the upper back, a little bit of lower back adjustments as well. And then we're going to do some soft tissue work here in the biceps tendon. Hey guys, just really quick, an interjection. We are going to be moving to a new location soon, okay? I'm going to have the new location address stamped into the video, okay? We'll be directly across the street from our current location, so we look forward to seeing you guys at our bigger, nicer location. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate an adjustment. Make sure you like our stuff, tag your friends, share our videos, so on and so forth. So we'll have you stand right over here. And by the way, that so on and so forth is a popular comment apparently. So I say it very often, as well as very good. Let's see here. So we're going to do some palpation here. All right, we're going to have some upper cervical restriction right in here. Relax here.
Oh!
Okay.
Sorry.
Toe still wiggling?
Yeah.
All right, good, you're good. Okay. Right there. Feel how that kind of wants to pull the shoulder up with it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we're going to adjust that one as well, too.
Okay. Oh!
Nice. Okay.
Good Lord.
All right. Let me have you lay face down right here for me, okay? All right. First adjustment.
Yeah.
First adjustment
ever.
What have you been missing for 22 years?
Oh, I don't know, man. Apparently this.
All right, relax right here for me. Notice I said 22, huh? We're not giving away the age.
Yes, thank you.
I mean, he's only 25.
Oh, you're so kind.
You feel those trigger points there?
Yes. Oh.
Okay. Kind of the same like we were dealing with inside that calf muscle.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Okay, here you go. All right, good. Same thing right over here. All right, you feel that guy right there?
Mm-hmm.
All right, brother, you need to get in here with Neva for massage. There's way too many that I'm finding in here.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, I mean, here's you work out, right? So your body's gonna need maintenance care. It's like a vehicle, right? If you use a vehicle that you drive cross country all the time, you're gonna have to change the oil more than just your drive to work car. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So you work out, you put some strain on your body.
Mm-hmm.
Using this type of care is gonna help you maintain strength, mobility, range of motion.
Good. I need that.
All right, let's see here. I'm gonna get some adjustments right in through here.
Okay.
Here's some extension right in here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale.
Oh.
You all right?
Yeah.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we got some big movement in there, huh?
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Relax right here. Nice. Okay. Same thing right over here. Good. Very good. All right. Okay. All right. Check your leg length here. Actually, not too terrible. Okay. Let's check range of motion here. Lift your left leg back for me without bending your knee. So keep your knee straight and lift it back. Okay, back down. Do the opposite leg. Okay, back down. Okay, do the left leg. Back down. Right leg. Back down. Okay, good, pretty even. Feel that tenderness in here? All right, do me a favor, lay on your side facing this way for me. So you can lay facing your right side.
Okay. Oh, that's the other thing I forgot to mention. I can't lay on my left side.
All right, what do you
I
feel?
can't sleep on my left side because of my shoulder.
I got you, yep. All right, let's see here, okay. Let's get into this arm right here, okay. We'll try to make it quick here. Breathe in, all the way out. Good, one more here. Good, there it is, okay. Feel that movement in there? Yep. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Now remember, we're palpating that segment right where I was saying, do you feel this tenderness? There was a lack of range of motion into that segment, okay? Relax your arm right here for me. Good. Breathe in. All the way out. Good, okay? Lay face up for me. All right, now I'm gonna do some soft tissue work on that biceps tendon. And we're dealing with that left bicep tendon. Okay? Right in here. So, go right here. Rest your arm right here for me. Good. Okay. Right in here. Okay. So I want you to come like this.
Oh my God. I can feel it in the back of my arm.
Oh yeah. Take it all the way down. Go back up. Take it all the way down. Back up. All the way down. Back up. And all the way down. Breathe for me. Good. Alright, good. Okay. Okay, you feel that over kind of going through there right there? Okay, try to breathe for me. And I want you to drop your arm down that way. Good, come back up. Breathe. And take a deep breath in there. There you go. Go down. Take a deep breath. Come back up. Breathe for me. And back down. Good, okay. Notice how that's going down? Come backwards towards me. Forward. Backwards. Okay, good. Breathe. All the way down. Good. Okay. Have a seat facing that way for me. Okay. Let's see here. Now, when we were doing that, you were feeling it all the way back into here, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Relax your body there. Tender into here.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Not as much.
Okay. Bring your shoulders back and try to sit straight up for me. Good. Tender into here.
Not as much.
Not as much. Tender into here.
Okay.
No. Okay. All right. So here's here we go. Okay. Extend your arm out there for me, right there. Okay. And I want you to slowly bring the entire arm up here without bending your elbow. Go. Come back out to the side. Go forward. Come back out to the side. And go forward. Okay, good. Relax right there. How does that shoulder feel?
Better.
Better? Good range of motion?
Yeah.
Good. So it's going to be, you're going to feel tender, okay? This is going to be kind of work in progress. It's not going to be just a quick fix, okay? That's what I'd like to happen, right? But commonly, this is going to take a few visits before that trigger point kind of gets better. When you're lifting, you want to kind of do more of a lighter lift right now. I mean, I know there's work responsibilities you're going to be doing. Just try to take it easy for now. Drink a lot of waters. You're going to be pretty sore in there, okay? And then, like I said, some follow-up care. Today's Monday. I'd say Wednesday or Friday is a good idea to get in here, get a little bit of soft tissue work if you can. We'll do some chiropractic adjustments because as we're stimulating the central nervous system, it's going to give better communication to the periphery, to the extremity, and it helps that muscle heal faster as well.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
Pretty straightforward, right?
Yep.
All right, brother. Good to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Good
very
to
much.
meet you.
Take care.